Zone wire connector. With a UL certified lab, Zone designs and produces high-quality wire nuts. Let's compare Zone wire nuts to the US-made brand in terms of quality. Torque test. Torque test conducted to assess the reliability of the connector. At 10.5 pounds torque, compared to the competitor, Zone wire connector has only slightly deformed, with no cracks or damage observed. Insulation test. The Zone connector broke down at 9.60 kV, outperforming the competitor, which broke down at 8.60 kV. This shows Zone's superior reliability in high-voltage conditions. Vertical tensile test. The Zone wire connector can withstand a pull force of 245.8 pounds, better outperforming the competitor at 241.8 pounds. Impact test. Impact test with a 500-gram iron ball from 1 meter. While the competitor's connector showed signs of distortion and deformation, the Zone connector remained structurally intact. Zone connectors excel in high voltage, strength, and resilience. For durable and reliable connections, choose Zone for connectors you can trust. Zone wire connector.